भाई मोहम्मद दानियाल साहब को गुजारिश करूंगा तशरीफ लाएं के लिए हमारे मुनव्वर करें। इस्तकबाल कीजिए नारे तकबीर, नारे रिसालत, नारे रिसालत।
नहमदुहु व नसल्लिमु अला रसूलिहिल करीम, अम्मा बअद, फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। क़ाल अल्लाहु तबारक व तआला फ़िल क़ुरआनिल मजीद वल फ़ुरक़ानिल हमीद, अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। शहरु रमज़ानल्लज़ी उन्ज़िल फ़ीहिल क़ुरआन हुदल लिन्नास व बय्यिनातिम मिनल हुदा वल फ़ुरक़ान। सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम व सदक़ रसूलुहुन नबियुल करीमुल अमीन व नहनु अला ज़ालिका लमिनश शाहिदीन वश्शाकिरीन वल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। Gentlemen, starting in the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the merciful, who is the glorious creator of all the universe, everything within it and out of it. Gentlemen, I have recited the verse 185 of Surah Baqarah in Qur'an Majid Furqan Habib. In this verse, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has described that this book, Qur'an Majid Furqan Habib, has been revealed in the month of Ramadan. In the month of Ramadan, Shahru Ramadan alladhi unzila fihi al-Qur'an, that this book has been revealed in the month of Ramadan. This book, and for the guidance of whom? Only the guidance of Arabians? Only the guidance of people? Only for the guidance of Muslims? No. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala answered, Hudal linnas, for the whole humanity, for the whole mankind, that covers up the whole humanity of this world, the whole non-Muslims, Jews, Christians, every non-Muslim, every Muslim. This book is guidance for everyone. It is not only the guide for Muslims, it is the light of guidance. It is the way of success. It is the pathway of success to Allah Azza wa Jalla. It is the pathway to paradise, not only for Muslims, but for whole humanity. And if we see Surah Baqarah, the first verse, Allah start with it, Alif Lam Mim, Dhalikal Kitabu La Rayba Fi. That this book has no doubt, the book with no doubts is this Quran. This Qur'an Majid Furqan Habib has no doubts in it. And this claim of Qur'an Majid Furqan Habib is standing still centuries. Throughout the century, this claim has been standing. It's been 1444 centuries since the Prophet Muhammad claimed that this book has no doubts, that everything written within it is truth, is full of truthness. This is the claim that is standing still in the 21st century. Even when this technology, when science is so much advanced, there is so much advancements in scientific technologies. Even that day, even to this date, Quran is still truthful. Quran is claiming, Quran Majid Furqan Habib is announcing its claim that Dhalikal Kitabu La Rayba Fi. This is the book with no doubts. There are many facts written in this book. It is a whole code of conduct for the life, even for Muslim, for non-Muslim. Everything is written within it. You're talking about sociology, it's within it. You're talking about politics, it's within it. You know how to, you want to know how to eat, how to do your matters of life, it's written within it. It is the whole life, it is the whole code of conduct for the life. This book is the whole code of conduct, the divine revelation, the revelation that has been sent from Allah, the miracle of our Prophet Muhammad that is standing still even today's date. This is the miracle of Prophet Muhammad that is specifically revealed in this night, the Laylatul Qadr, the 27th of Ramadan Mubarak, most probably. The Laylatul Qadr, this is the date when this holy book was revealed to this world. And where it was revealed? Was it? And if we compare to the other books, no book is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has revealed like this. Like Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has revealed the Qur'an Majid Furqan Habib. There are many books that were revealed before Qur'an Majid Furqan Habib. Some in the form of, some on the bones, some in the form of taqtis, some on the form of slates. There are many ways. But in Qur'an Majid, when it comes to Qur'an Majid, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed it on the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam's heart. And that book then transferred from Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam's heart to someone other's heart. The Prophet, the Sahabas, the people that were transferred this knowledge was Sahaba. So this is the whole concept. This is the starting of the Qur'an Majid. That is how Islam spread. Today, nowadays, you will see people that they're trying to say you that please read Quran on yourself, please do it all yourself. No doubtedly, it is very good to read Quran. No doubtedly, it is very good to learn Quran, but with a teacher, but in the inspection of a teacher. Just like even the Khairul Qurun, the Sahaba, the most pious people on this earth, they were not allowed to do this. Even the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, if wanted to do that, if wanted to reveal, if they wanted to transfer the knowledge to them, why didn't Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala directly give it to them? But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala didn't directly give it to them. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave it to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. He taught our Prophet that knowledge of Qur'an Majid Furqan Habib. And that Prophet and that knowledge was transferred to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. And then it was transferred to Sahaba Ikram. This was the way that has been started at the 14th centuries ago. And even today we have to learn this way. We must have a teacher. We must have, if we must have to be guided through a proper channel by this book, then we must have a proper teacher for it. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when coming to the claims, there are many claims Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made done in this book. And no one in 14 centuries has passed, but no one has been able to even wrong a single verse. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala claimed, if you are able to do is give only one surah like this. But no one, there has been 14 centuries has passed, no one has been able to make even one surah like this Qur'an Majid Furqan Habib. Because this is the divine revelation. The revelation that has been sent by Allah Azza wa Jal, the miracle of Allah Azza wa Jal. And this is the only miracle, Allah Azza wa Jal, this is the only speciality, the characteristic of this book, that this book is the only book, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's Qur'an Majid Furqan Habib, that has been memorized in most of the world. The only book that has been memorized in so numerously is only the Qur'an Majid Furqan Habib. The only book on the face of this earth, the only book not on the face of this earth, but in the whole universe. If any book has been memorized that much, on that much larger scale, that is Qur'an Majid Furqan Habib. And this is its truthfulness, that in even today's, the fastest growing religion in the world is Islam. If you look at the statistics that has been published by the international media, if you look at that, the fastest growing religion, the Muslims have crossed over 2 billion. This is the characteristic. How is this religion so much popular? How is this so much faster growing? It is the miracle of Allah. That miracle Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave to our Prophet, and our Prophet transferred it to us, the Qur'an Majid Furqan Habib. This is the miracle that Islam has became the most popular, most fastest growing religion in the world. This is the characteristics of Qur'an. Gentlemen, try to be close to Qur'an. Try to recite it, and not only recite it. This is the book of implementation. The code of conduct Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave us in this book. This code of conduct was to follow, not just only to read like a parrot, but it was the code of conduct of life that was to be followed. But sadly, we are not doing that. We Muslims are not doing this. Even the kuffar, that those who are implementing this book's law, the people who followed this book, the people, the civilizations who followed this book, they created so much great scientists. Al-Khwarizmi, Ibn Sina, Ibn Khaldun, that much great scientists. So much great scientists, those scientists, those who invented the tools for surgery. And even today's date, those surgery tools are being used. But what we are doing? So this is the message of today, to follow this book. This book is also is to be recited, but the most probably, it is to be followed. The code of conduct that is described in this book must be followed. It is the book of implementation as well as the recitation. Jazakallah. Thank you.